Day by day, making ends meet is becoming harder and harder thanks to inflation. In fact, even millionaires are beginning to save their money with their mothers. Shout out to my guy Kimi. But if you have virtually nothing to save, then the only option you have is to make more money. So in today's video, we will be looking at 5 viable business options that can earn you good bucks. But before we begin, are you new to this channel? Then join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while at that, remember to click on the notification button so you get notified every time we drop a video. Is that done? Okay, let's get into it. Number 5. Dog walking. A dog walker is a paid animal care and service professional who takes other people's dogs on outing for a defined period. Dog walking is a viable business given that many people own pets but do not always have the time to take care of them. Some dog walkers take one dog out at a time, and others may take multiple dogs on each outing. The duration of each walk depends on the dog's breed and client's instructions. Owners often explain the expectations for their dog care and walking process. On average, dog walkers can earn between $10 to $40 per walk. Number 4. Virtual assistants. Many businesses use the service of virtual assistants to handle their administrative tasks. These professionals are in high demand, and experts predict an increase in the need for their services. It is possible to become a virtual assistant without qualifications or experience. You can also become a virtual assistant without actually studying or having experience or qualifications. Some tasks such as proofreading have no specific educational requirement. You could also learn how to walk as you do the job. Most independent virtual assistants charge between $25 to $50 per hour, with the more experienced ones charging even higher rates. Hey, finding the information helpful? Then smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 3. Tutor. Tutoring is one of the easiest business to set up, requiring minimal startup cost, and is easy to scale. A tutor's role is to improve the learning of a student outside of the traditional classroom. A tutor will dedicate one-on-one time to work with students who may need extra attention to succeed in their education. Tutoring keeps students motivated and on course to excel academically. Typically, a tutor will help a student focus on one specific subject. To become a tutor, start by identifying your niche and the approach you will take. Establish your business with all necessary paperwork, and then prepare your course material. Depending on your experience level, subject difficulty, and structure of your services, you can earn anywhere between $30 to $90 an hour. Number 2. Freelance copywriting. If you're passionate about writing and have a talent for communicating ideas clearly, a copywriting career may suit you. Copywriters create engaging and persuasive content for websites, billboards, emails, catalogs, and advertisements. Freelance copywriting is a zero-cost, in-demand business idea today, as many companies constantly use this service to increase sales through valuable content. You can create a website for your copywriting business and develop an online portfolio that showcases your work. Provide a list of writing services you offer, such as website content, email, marketing copy, or advertising copy. Then establish your rates, offering hourly or per word options to provide flexibility. Freelance copywriters could earn anywhere from $25 to $100 per hour, depending on experience and type of copywriter. And at number 1, photography. If you have a talent and a passion for photography, it's possible to turn this into a business. If you have a talent for taking great pictures and an inkling about how to market them, you are ready to go. Of course, you may choose to take a photography course in order to learn your trade. However, you may start by purchasing your photography equipment and attending workshops for professional photographers, but to be successful as a professional photographer, you will need to invest in top-of-the-range camera equipment and lighting. On average, a professional photographer can earn between $100 to $250 an hour, depending on experience and the type of photography services you're providing. So, would you be interested in any of this? Let us know in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, if you'd like to see 10 cities with the highest salaries in Canada, click on this video. Remember, it's the Daily Bread Expert, and have a beautiful day.